haven't thought about it yet.
All right, this is DIY day.
Yep.
Not for me, for you.
For me, yeah.
Okay, so who we got here?
William.
William. So I was gonna have Snapper introduce you.
Yeah.
So what? William looks like a big boy here.
He's pretty tall.
So what do you play?
Left tackle.
Left tackle. So we got the line going on.
Yep.
All right, so you're gonna tackle this thing?
Yep, we should. Should get it done.
What are we doing?
Gutting it out. Cleaning
Gutting it?
Yeah, getting it all out of there.
We're gonna reglass the top. This is an old Chinook. And we had somebody come by and said, hey, he wants to make it into a new Chinook. So I will be checking on you periodically during the day. Don't throw that away. You may want that as stainless. It can go in the scrap pile.
Yep.
Well, this is going to be the start of the Mean Green Machine series here. This is Alan's car. I'm just going to kind of go around. I think all of our turnkey cars, as we start building them, and maybe some of the kits that are a little unique, we might do a mini series. So I'm going to do mini series of all these cars. Here's where we're at right now as of today, whatever today is, August 9th, I think. But we've got the wheels straight, we got all that, we've moved it ahead. So now we're going to go back and get to where we are right now. Well, I took the closet for an office when I came back because I don't need an office, but I need an office now, because how do you be the DIY foreman or any kind of foreman if you don't know what's going on? So I'm just going to throw all this old stuff away, sort through it a little bit, and start over. And I'm going to move into the big boy office. Haven't been here yet. I got to get the computer to work. We got 2 computer screens. Boy, I could be all official. I threw my hat down. I'm good. I'm ready to go. So, and then we can have the strategic planning going on. So part of my day today is put my head around everybody, put names to everybody, not just work orders. And actually, if you've watched some of these videos and your car's in the process and your car has a name, let us know what that name is, and that way we can refer to your car by the right name. Otherwise, sometimes we'll just name them.
Here, no. So we're going to
Okay, so we're cleaning it up. You guys are like, yeah, just keep all them kind of parts.
Okay.
This isn't going to be as easy as we thought, though.
Nope, kind of sucks because we thought it was just a flat piece of metal all the way across. Just pull up this wood. As you can tell,
Not so much.
no. So it kind of sucks.
All right, so we're gonna
But I feel the metal right
get
there.
the top off, pull
Yep.
that pieces off of there. Like
Yep.
we were just unsnapping that one. And don't call me until
The top's
you're
off.
ready to take the top off.
Until I'm ready to take the top off.
Well, let's push on it. Once you boys get in there, don't fall through, and let's see what happens.
Okay. Well, you can see why it needs it repaired.
So
right
it
there.
just comes off.
That's what it looks like from right here.
So you're not going to get in and fall through and give me some kind of viral YouTube video where you're all trapped.
I know that's
in
what you
there.
were looking for, but
I was hoping. Okay,
kinda heavy
well,
though. Sheesh.
get that off.
Okay.
Take it in the building.
Okay.
Turn it upside down. And unsnap all them parts carefully. Keep it as clean as possible so when we do the upholstery,
Okay.
we
He's
got
got
good
like good
patterns.
Okay.
All right, we're good. So you didn't need me.
I guess not.
All right. Well, the boys just took off for lunch, and it looks like the Chinook project is going to be a little more than I expected. We can handle it. We're going to see how good they are. We're going to clean out the whole floor here, it looks like. And I'm not sure how we're going to do it. I had a plan yesterday, but it's a whole new plan today. But we'll see how these boys do. See if this thing can be upside down like a turtle and cleaned up by the end of the day. All right, we're loading up Corey.
Yep.
Tubbed out, Pro Street 34.
Yeah. My favorite.
Your favorite. And it says, and Corey will watch this video, so we'll ask him because he mentioned it in the comments. It says it get door poppers.
Yes,
So sometimes we'll do door poppers and outside handles.
it's
But
happened before.
it's happened.
Not common.
So if that's happening on here, which I don't think it is, I can check our paperwork, but Corey, just comment in the things and I won't have to know.
This is
Yeah, do you watch the videos?
it's Outlaw Pro Street. The
You
kids
watch-
do. They make me watch.
Okay, yeah, they make you watch them. Well, you better say hi to them.
Hello,
And,
Alex, Lily.
and whose birthday is it or what's going on?
It's Lily's birthday.
Okay, so happy
Days.
birthday. Happy birthday to Lily. Everybody say happy
Happy
birthday.
birthday.
Make it in the comments because she'll watch it. So
Yeah,
anyway,
okay.
off it goes. We'll see this one back next week.
Yes.
All done.
Yeah, it's gonna look good.
And then we got you coming and going doing some painting too.
I hope so. I like painting. I'm a painter.
Well, yeah. So there we go. Load it up. I'm gonna move on. The boys are calling up at the other. We're doing a Chinook trailer.
All right.
Yeah, not all right, but anyway.
I'm painting.
You got me driving back and forth between buildings.
Well, it's because we're working so fast.
And you are working fast. Look at that. No top.
No top.
What's that look like, the top?
The top here. Want to come look at it?
Flimsy? Yeah, let's go look at the top. Okay, there's the top. It's
There
off.
it is.
All that trim needs to come off. All of it. Nicely. That may just peel off. I don't know how it comes off. Oh, this is fiberglass right here.
That is too. Okay, well then here we'll
Well, this is
unscrew.
a panel. Yeah. that's
We'll
a
unscrew
panel.
this and then we'll get pop this wood off of there. I think.
Huh. Okay, we'll just have to dissect this and see what it looks like.
Okay.
All right. Not much progress on Phantom Pete, but at least I've got the hood sort of going back on. Now I can figure out how to mount those hinges to the car. So that's the next step, is mounting hinges on this one. So Phantom Pete, the 30, I don't know if it's a 33 or 34, but it's a 30, I'm gonna call it a 34 steel-bodied Ford sedan. A little update on Insanity here. Daryl's not here. He comes in early and leaves early. I see he's got the remote oil filter at least connected. I've seen him working with the brakes and doing, so I don't know what all he did. So what he's done is something you probably can't see, but he spent some time on it today. I haven't been keeping track of Fast Eddie today. He's got 3 or 4 projects going on, but the hides came in for Mike's car, so I think we got 3 or 4 hides here. So this can be the color for Mike's 32.5 window. So we'll be putting that together here pretty soon. But I don't see Eddie. Must be break time, but I'm sure he's been up to something today. So you're making it happen?
Yeah, we're making it happen.
You tore it up.
Yep, tore it up. We gotta get some of the fiberglass off. Then I'll have to sand it down and get it all ready for Eric. I still got some wood I need to get up, but we got this fiberglass piece done. It's pretty good. We got that in. Show the camera. They had insulation in here, so we had to rip up the insulation, and then I guess, are you planning on using this for something?
Put it back where it was.
We're gonna put it back where it was.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yep. We're gonna add I don't know if we'll add wood back in it, but we'll
Figure something
figure it
smarter.
out. Yeah.
Probably.
Well, very good. Now you boys want to come help me lay out some kits?
Lay out some kids.
We got kits.
Kits,
We
I was
gotta
gonna
move
say
some big
kids.
bodies and put them on pallets and.
Well, if you're good for us today, well then, you're the boss. I'll do whatever you tell me to do.
Man, are you as good an employee as he is?
I hope I will be.
Okay. We have an employee change here, by the way.
Yeah.
What do you go by? What are we gonna call
No,
you?
I'm gonna call myself the blind side.
The blind side.
Yeah, he's been thinking about it, huh?
Blind side. Okay. So we should be expecting a lot of penalties out of you then,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
No, like the blind side of the quarterback.
Yeah.
We should be expecting a lot of roughing the quarterback and penalties out
Yeah.
of you, huh?
Yeah.
I guess so.
Okay. I guess so.
No, I'm just gonna accept it.
I'll give you some techniques that we developed way back when I was young.
Yeah. Lead with your head.
No, when they're down,
CTE.
you get in
Uh huh.
and they're on their face.
Oh yeah, you told me this.
With the knees, you grind your knees in the back of their thighs.
Yeah.
Perfect. You hear them squeal, but you're on the pile and nobody knows where it's coming
Yeah,
from.
you told me about this one time. I was just like, ew.
Snapperies everywhere. You know what it's all about?
Do I know what's all about?
It's all about. You know what it's all about?
What?
It's about
The
it's about
experience.
the details.
It's
Well,
about it's about the experience.
We're working on the details.
The
Experience the details. So we're cleaning the area up. It wasn't but a little while ago. This looked like, and it still looks a little rough, but you're sweeping it. We put good rear ends here. I'm working on moving parts into the other room here. So I'm bringing up the rear. These are all kits. We're getting laid out, putting the bodies and the frames and all the stuff putting the parts together, so they're getting ready to ship. Harvey, yours is one of them. I'm not sure which one. I think maybe one of those back there. Anyway, Josh is laying out the small parts up in the bottom, or in the parts department up in the other building, and we'll bring it down and start palletizing. Some of them get picked up, some of them go on hot shot, some of them go on a truck. So I'm bringing in the rear. Everybody else is gone, but we're getting some kits shipped out the door, and I'm getting excited to focus on turnkeys myself.